What type of ads you need to run for YouTube? Hey, you've come to the right video. If you want to know what type of ads to run on the second largest search engine in the world, you are at the right video, and we're going to be starting right now. Look, you know you need to run ads on YouTube. It is the second largest search engine in the world. It's where everybody is. But the question is, what type of ads do you run, and how do you run them, and where do you run them, and what kind of results are you going to get? In this video, I'm going to show you all things YouTube and how to run YouTube ads, and show you the type of ads that are available to you so you can make the best decision on running these ads. If you're new to this channel, my name is J.R. Fisher, and I've been selling products, digital and physical, online since 2009. I have my branded products on thousands of websites, including Walmart. So what I try to do is share with you some of the things I've learned along the way, so you can skip over some of the mistakes and you can start, run, and grow your online business. Now, don't forget, put comments below. If you've tried to run some ads on YouTube, put your comments below. What type of results did you get? If you haven't run ads yet and you have questions about YouTube ads, please put those comments below so that we can help you out. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you access to a $97 course for absolutely zero. All you'll have to do is click a link and you can get access to that course. So let's get started with the types of YouTube ads there are available to you. Okay, before we get started, don't forget, hit that subscribe button down there. Join the Fisher family. Don't forget, ring the bell, right? That way you'll get notifications. YouTube can tell you every single time I do a new video. Now let's get going. Okay, the first type of ad I want to talk about is skippable in-stream ads. Okay, this type of ad will appear before, during, and after videos. There's an option to skip after 5 seconds, but the viewer does have to watch for 5 seconds. If you watch for at least 30 seconds or interact or click, then the advertiser is actually going to be charged. So here's an example of what that looks like right here. These are the most common types of ads, and they come with a companion banner, which you'll find right here on the side. Also available for all forms of advertising goals. So no matter what your goal is for advertising, you can use this type of format. These ads actually will appear on desktop, mobile devices, TV, game consoles, everything that YouTube shows up on, these ads will appear. The next type of ad is called non-skippable in-stream ads. Often you'll see one of these ads that tells you your video will play after the ad has finished. Now normally it's about a 15-second video, and every advertiser is charged no matter what happens. So as soon as that video starts, they're going to be charged for that ad. These ads also will appear before, during, and after the main video, but they're only going to show up on desktop and mobile devices. The standard for these ads is going to be 15 to 20 seconds in duration only. Number 3 is discovery ads. This type of ad shows up when somebody is searching on YouTube, and the advertiser's going to be charged as soon as somebody clicks on one of these ads. No matter what, they're going to be charged. Number 4 is bumper ads. Now these ads are 6 seconds or less. These are non-skippable video ads, and they must be watched before the person can actually watch the video that they want to see. These also appear on desktop and mobile devices. They play in video players up to 5 seconds long. Number 5 is sponsored cards. Now, sponsored cards are displayed content that may be relevant to the video that the person is watching, such as products featured in the video, which would be a really good one too. These are going to appear on desktop and mobile devices, and the card sizes can actually vary in length and in size. Viewers will see a teaser card just for a few seconds. They can also click the icon in the top right corner of the video to browse the cards. Number 6 is Outstream Ads. These are optimized for mobile and tablet. Now you're charged on viewable CPM, which is a cost per 1,000 views. If they watch it for 2 seconds, you are charged. These are best used for branding and getting your name and your company known out there to your audience. Now you should use both horizontal and vertical ads in this format. Vertical will perform much better on mobile, so if you didn't have the vertical ones, your ads won't do as well. Now these are best for leads or website traffic, and these are the only ones you can use in the skippable in-stream ad format, so you'll want to keep that in mind when you're doing your ads. Now if you're doing product or brand consideration, there are 3 different options that you can see on the screen here right now. This is an example right here of the brand awareness and reach and the boxes that you would check if you want to do that type of ad. As soon as you click the type of ad and you click video, it will show you what formats you can use. So you can see I clicked here, and what's available to me is the skippable in stream, the retarget, the non-skippable in stream, and the outstream, and of course the ad sequence. Now the bumper, non-skippable, and outstream are all available through this type of campaign goal. Okay, I want to take you inside my account here because I know it can be really confusing for you to look at all those different screenshots and all, but I wanted to give those to you so you would get, I guess, a base knowledge of it. But I want to show you how it actually works in Google Ads, because in Google Ads, every time you click, things change. And it's kind of weird because if you've been used to doing any other ad platform, they're all pretty much the same, but every time you click here, things change. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna click new campaign right here. And I just want to show you right here. Okay, so in this first box that pops up here, you're going to have several different choices. The first one is sales, leads, website traffic, product brand and consideration. You got brand awareness, you got ad promotion, you got create a campaign without a goal guidance. So what do? Well, the first thing you got to do is kind of figure out what options it gives you. If I click sales here, this is what it's going to give me. It's going to give me search, display, shopping, video, or smart. Now, we're talking primarily about videos, so that's what we're going to click on here. And when I click on videos, it's going to ask me what I want to do, drive conversions, okay? And that's to the video, okay? So that's the first option here, sales. The next one is leads. I'm going to go back over here to video again, click it. Once again, drive conversions, okay? Then I'm going to click on website traffic. I'm going to click video right here, and it's going to say the same thing. Now, obviously, these are all conversions, so we got to go another step further. Okay, so if I do brand awareness and I do video right here, I get 3 different options, okay, that I didn't have on those others. If you notice here, when I did website traffic and I clicked video, all I had was continue. But when I went to brand awareness and I clicked video, then I got 3 options: shopping, ad sequence, or influence consideration. So let's look at the other ones. Brand awareness, I click video, and look at this. Now I've got skippable in-stream, bumper, non-skippable in-stream, outstream, and ad sequence. So it gives me a whole lot more choices there. And if I create a campaign without a goal guidance and I click video, it's going to give me all of these choices here: custom video campaign, non-skippable in-stream, outstream, drive conversions, ad sequence, or shopping. So I just wanted to show you, when you get into the platform itself, you're going to have a lot of different options, but you're not going to see them until you actually click on one of these, okay? And then click on video, and then you'll see your options. Like this one here had none. We didn't have any options until we got to brand consideration. We clicked video, then it gave us all these options. So just so you understand where all these screenshots are coming from, it's because every time you click in Google Ads, you're going to get different options. And I know this seems a little confusing in the beginning, but you're going to get it. You just got to stick with it. And don't forget, if you have a problem, just put something in the comments of this video and I'll be happy to help you out with it. So there are tons of formats of ads, and no one can really tell you what's going to be best for your business. You should really try all these different formats and see what works best for your company. Now, I stick to certain ones and styles that work for the types of products and the type of audience I have, but your audience could be entirely different. So unless you try some of these things, you won't know. Nobody's going to be able to walk up to you and say, hey, this is exactly what your company needs to do. You can't do that without testing. So unfortunately, you're going to have to spend a little bit of money to test these out, but it'll be well worth it in the long run. Now, have you tried to run ads before? Were you put off by the complexity of them? If so, put your comments below. If you've had some successes with ads, I really want to hear about that, because that could help a lot of people out. Put those comments below. Now, don't forget to subscribe to the Fisher family. Right down there, hit that subscribe button and notifications, don't forget that. Got to be notified when I do a new video. That's super important. I did promise you a free e-commerce course. There is a link in the description down there. If you click that link, you can get access to a $97 course absolutely free. I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I really appreciate all of you people who interact with these videos. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.